Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher of KKI schools. Our lesson today is evaluate numerical expressions. Our objective is use the order of operations to evaluate numerical expressions with decimal and fractions.
On the solve and share problem. An airline company charges additional fees for bags that are overweight and size limits for one flight. Fees are charged for a total of 50 bags over the weight limit and 6 oversized bags. Write and evaluate an expression to find the total amount in fees collected for that flight.
Thank you, Ayman, and thank you, Ryan. And as the example said, 50 bags overweight, and the cost for the overweight is $49 per bag. So 50 multiplied by 49. Okay? 50 multiply 49 plus the fees of the oversize 75 and the number of bags is 6, so 6 multiply 75. Okay, now we multiply 50 by 490, which equal 2450, plus 6 multiply 75, which equal 450. The total cost for the charge for all the bags is $2,900. What we learned here, we learned how to write the expression, and we learned that we have to do the multiplication before addition. Okay, stay with me to learn how to do the expression if it has more than operations, and Yaman will tell us the order of operations. Okay, if I find many operations, which operation must execute before?
Number 1 is evaluate parentheses and brackets from inside out. Number 2 is evaluate powers. Number 3 is multiply and divide from left to right. Number 4 is add and subtract from left to right.
Thank you, Yaman. Now I will move to this example. Okay, how to find this, evaluate this expression. Regarding to the orders of operations, we have to find out or to find the value for the numbers inside parentheses from inside to outside. So inside parentheses we do this operation, division. Okay, so the first one here, we have to execute this 3 and 16 divide by 9/10. Let me remind you how to divide decimal by decimal. Okay, 3.6 divided by 9/10. Here we have dividend and divisor. Okay, it is not allowed to have a decimal, so I have to move it one step to the right, okay, to release the number from the decimal. Okay, 9. And because I move one step to the right, I have to move this one step to the right. This will be 36. Now how many 9 in 36? It is 4. 4 multiply 9 equal 36. Now subtract, so the answer is 4. So the answer of this, it is 4. So I'm done from this, and I write the rest as it is. Okay, each step you execute, you have to rewrite the expression after you execute it. Okay, now I still have brackets, so the order for the numbers and the operation inside the brackets. Okay, I will do this. Okay, 4 plus 2 equal 6, and the rest as it is. I'm done from this and this. Now I have how many orders? 1, 2, 3, and you know that the order before the permission or the priority for the operation is to the power. Yes, parentheses, brackets, then power. So I have to exclude the power here. Okay, boys. Now I will do this. Equal 16, and the rest as it is. And you know that before that multiply before subtract. So now half multiply by 16 equal 8, minus 6 coming down, and which equal 2. Okay, boys. Okay, this is the first example. The second example here, it will be this one. Convince me. I will solve this one. Okay, but here we have this 1 over 8 parentheses. There is nothing between them. There is no operation. I rewrite it here, okay, with multiply. So what between the parentheses and 1 over 8? It is multiply, okay, but it is hidden here. But by default you consider it multiply. Okay, okay, my boys, and I rewrite the example here. I will start from here, okay, and I put the multiply, you see. Now as we learn, we start from parentheses and brackets, inside to outside. Where's the inside here? Here, which is equal, or which equal, yes, it is 8. Okay, now I write the rest. I write the rest plus and 6 with power 3 and minus 20 as it is. Copy and paste. I do one operation each of time. Now I still have parentheses, so I have to execute, but inside parentheses I have to execute what inside parentheses, but here I have two operations. Be careful, plus and power. Now I move to the order of operations, the power before plus, so I have to execute this. Okay, now I will execute it. It is 6 with power 3 equal, you will calculate it later, 216, and the rest I will write it as it is. This is 1, okay, okay, and this is the parentheses, multiply 1 over 8 minus 20. Okay, okay, now I'm still have parentheses, so I will execute it. 216 plus 8 equal 224, and here 20 coming down, and multiply 1 over 8. Now how many operations I have here? I have two operations, one multiply and minus, which is before, which is coming before the multiply, coming before minus, as you know. 1 over 8 multiply 224. Teacher, it is what I have to do here. It is easy. Just divide 224 divided by 8. Okay, like this, teacher. Yes, like this. All of time, if I have another one, 1 over 4 multiply 224, again you divide 224 divided by 4 like this one. Okay, now can I divide it? Yes. Let us remember how we divide it. Okay, how many 8 in 22? It is 3 or 2. Yes, 2 times 8 equals 16. 6 4 28 64 0 0. Okay, so the answer from this equal what? 28. Okay, equal 28. So I write it instead of this. It's 28 minus 20 equal 8, and this is O. Okay. So the order of operations: parentheses, brackets, from inside to outside, then power, then multiply or divide from left to right, and finally plus minus from left to right. Thank you for watching, and I hope you get all the benefit. This is Muhammad Khair. Goodbye.